Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on GoPro HERO camera. To do this, first we'll need to switch on our camera. You can do it with the button on the left side. Click and hold it for a few seconds. Your camera should beep and then we should be able to see the setup menu. And the first option is to set the language. You can choose whichever one you like. I'm gonna go with English. Then there's the legal stuff that you need to agree to proceed. And next is voice control. You can turn it on and off. In this case, I'm gonna turn it on. Then there's the voice control language. If you actually activated it, we can choose English as well. Now it's gonna check if there's the SD card inserted in your camera. In this case I don't have it, so I'm gonna cut in a few seconds into the future when I plug in the card. So to actually insert the card, you will need to look on the right side of your camera. There's this switch and we need to press on it to open a slot. Then inside you can find the slot for SD card. Take your micro SD card and insert it like so. Then click it with the fingernail and close the gap. Now we need to download an app called GoPro Quick from Google Play Store or App Store if you're the iOS user. So get your phone and download the app. So I've downloaded the app and logged into my account. Then I selected that I own the camera. Now we can connect the camera with our phone. We'll need to allow the location service for the app, and it should automatically find your camera, and now we can click on connect. Then pair and connect your camera with the pop-up. We can set the name for our camera. In this case, I'm gonna leave it as a default one. And then there's the update that is necessary to download. So click on continue and the update process should begin. Click on the connect on the pop-up again. And install the update. After all that, our camera is all set. We can click on OK, and then we can do this later. We can move on to the camera. Let's also just accept anything that is showing on the screen on your phone. And now click on this button to unlock your camera, and here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.